Today, I'm going to tell you about the Pomodoro method. What is Pomodoro? It's a time management technique where your work is broken into intervals. 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. Essentially, just a timer, but with structured intervals. For 25 minutes, you focus on one priority task, and then you get a 5-minute rest. And of course, you can adjust these intervals to whatever works best for you. I could also tell you that this technique was created by Francesco Cirillo, who used a kitchen timer shaped like a tomato. That's actually where the name comes from, but I already talked about that. Why do people use the Pomodoro timer? Because it actually works. It's a super simple time management method, anyone can try.
You can try.
You don't need anything special, use a regular timer or grab one of the free Pomodoro apps, there are tons of them. And the best part, you can set your own work and break intervals to match your rhythm. What apps can you use? I used to work with an app called Forest because it let me track my progress and gave me a visual reward, a little tree or plant every time you stay focused. It's really cool, and honestly it's very motivating. These days I mostly use TickTick because that's where I keep all my to-do lists, and it's just the most convenient setup for me. I simply pick the task I need and start the Pomodoro timer right inside the app. But there are tons of other apps you can use, and even entire YouTube videos built around the Pomodoro system. Some creators make their own Pomodoro videos and playlists, and you can easily find them using this search query.